Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the A-LuGei cell phone ring holder, a versatile accessory for your smartphone. The foldable and adjustable design caught my attention, and I've been putting it to the test. First off, the 2-in-1 feature, a ring grip and table stand combo, is a game changer. The concentric rings and magnetic base provide a secure grip, ensuring my phone stays put even in crowded spaces. Plus, it passed the durability test with flying colors after 10,000 professional weight and swing cycles. What sets this apart is the two rotational arms and base, offering a wide range of viewing angles. Whether I'm shooting a vlog, cooking, or catching up on videos, I can adjust it to the perfect height and angle with ease. The 2024 new version 3M tape is a welcome upgrade, ensuring a strong and lasting bond with my phone. It held up remarkably well during my daily activities. And the best part is that it leaves no sticky residue after removal. But here's the kicker, the magnetic kickstand. With a magnet inside, I can easily mount my phone on any magnetic surface, be it in the car, kitchen, or office. The zinc alloy and stainless steel construction make it durable and reliable. In terms of compatibility, it's designed for a wide range of devices, including the latest iPhones and Android phones. So, no matter what phone you have, this holder has got you covered. In conclusion, the A-LuGei cell phone ring holder has become an essential part of my daily routine. It's a reliable grip, a convenient stand, and a magnetic mount all in one. If you're looking for a versatile and durable phone accessory, this one's definitely worth checking out. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.